You don't have time to read 33 books on money, but I did. And in the next 2 minutes, I'll teach you everything they reveal about getting rich. Let's start. 1. It's all in the mind. Your beliefs about money shape your reality. Rich people think in terms of abundance, not scarcity. 2. Earn more, save more. Save at least 20% of your income and invest wisely. 3. High-income skills win. Focus on skills that make you money, not just passion. 4. Time is more valuable than money. Stop trading time for money. Find ways to make money while you sleep. 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase your spending as you earn more. Invest the difference. 6. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one job is risky. Build investments, businesses, or side hustles. 7. Leverage other people's time and money. Instead of doing everything yourself, hire people and use smart systems. 8. Sell something scalable. Digital products, courses, or software scale better than freelancing. 9. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Buy things that make you money, stocks, real estate, not things that lose value. 10. The power of compound interest. Investing early and consistently beats trying to time the market. 11. Create systems, not just goals. Small daily habits compound into massive wealth. 12. Your network is your net worth. Business is built on relationships, not just skills. 13. Think like a business owner. Every rich person thinks in terms of assets and ownership. 14. The economy moves in cycles. Learn to navigate recessions and booms. 15th, master influence and leadership. If you can lead, persuade, and inspire, money follows. Most people stay broke because they ignore these principles. So what's the secret? Master your mindset, build high-income skills, invest early, and create assets. Do this, and wealth is inevitable. This was just a quick summary, but I'll be dropping a deep dive video on money and business soon. And when we hit 1,000 subs, I'll release an insane value pack you don't want to miss. So make sure to subscribe. Now go take action.